Are you imagining your dream home, or are you looking to renovate your current space? Worried about the complexities of construction or renovation? At Panhandle, we've got you covered. Our experienced team meticulously attends to every brick, every structure, and every detail. A solid foundation is our promise to you. From dust-filled construction sites to sleek modern living rooms and functional kitchens, we bring your vision to life. Quality and punctuality are the cornerstones of our commitment. No matter the size of your project, let's start a conversation today. Together, we can build something new.